Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. This is day 7 of our Google Apps script learning. Today we are going to learn about sidebar and model dialog. So what is sidebar and model dialog? I'll show you a brief overview and I guess then it will be very easy for you to understand what exactly it is. So from menu, if I click on open dialog, now you can see a layer kind of data entry form. It is basically HTML page or HTML frame. Now it's open over the spreadsheet. So now what I'll do, let's say I will write the I'll write the first name. So maybe I'll write here Debu, and for example email this one, and I'll write the comment, and finally I will click on submit. What happened, I will close it. Now you can see data saved successfully. Now I will close it. Now you can see here, this is the same data, it appeared here. It means this dialog basically you can use as a data entry form. You can create this kind of data entry form. You can use for different purposes. You can create a different HTML frame or page here. And now I'll show you what is sidebar. If I click on sidebar, now the same HTML data entry form now open to the right side of this spreadsheet. Here I will I will again submit one more. And now I'll submit it. What should happen? Oh, sorry. I'll close it. Now you can see the second data again appeared. Now I'm sure it's clear to you how a sidebar and model dialog works. So now I will show you how I did this and how you can do this. So without skipping this video, please watch till end and then you can understand exactly what I did to do this. I will clear everything, and as usual every day I will go to app script code editor and I will delete my previous script file. I will change the project name as 7 and here very first of all I will insert a script file. I will give it a name as like I'll move it up. Now very first of all I will create a menu. And I will add try catch. I added try catch to handle any error. Then I will create I will declare a variable. Now I will create menu. I will write the caption name as menu and then add item, open sidebar, and then the function name I will give the function name later, and then I will create add to UI. Now below I will I'll write the function for this sidebar. So function or I can write sidebar okay. So now what I'll do, I will create first HTML content. I will declare variable HTML. Then I will write HTML service dot create HTML file from HTML output from file, and here I will write sidebar for example, and here say title, I will give it a title, data entry form, and here what I'll do, spreadsheet dot get UI dot so sidebar, and here I will user interface, I will put here the HTML variable. Okay, so and now what I'll do, I'll create a HTML file for this sidebar. I'll select the HTML, I'll give it the same name. This name must be same. Okay, I'll move it up. So this sidebar, this name and this name should match, because HTML content will be read from this HTML file. Now automatically this HTML content is created. Here I will insert a p tag. This is sidebar testing. I hope you have very basic knowledge in HTML. So this is the very basic thing. So now what I'll do, I will copy this function name and I will put it here. So what will happen, the on open this one this menu will come, and whenever I will click on this button open sidebar, this function will be called, and what it will do, it will read the HTML content from this file, and then it will add in the spreadsheet UI. I hope it will work. Okay, let's do it. So for now I will just, okay, I will make a duplicate, and now I'll reload it. Okay, menu is created. Now I will click on open sidebar. Now you can see right side data entry form, it appeared here, but where is the p tag value? Why it is not? This is sidebar testing. Oh, it came here later. Anyway, this is the very basic thing. We have to update our HTML content, then the HTML form will be created. So now what I'll do, I will change the HTML content as like this one. I'll paste it. I wrote this code before, I copied beforehand, and now I pasted directly. So what it is doing, so there is some CSS to decorate the HTML structure, and here what I did, it's a form container, and the label is name, and the placeholder is name placeholder, email placeholder, comment, all these three placeholder. Now we are going to capture the data in the data entry form, and then finally we are going to submit it. This is the submit button basically, and it on click function, there is a submit form. So it means this function, this is the JavaScript, will be called, and it is passing the JSON. It is making the JSON basically, sorry, not JSON, it is the object. It is preparing the object in the data variable. And finally google.script.run, this is the server side function. It is passing this data, so this variable, it is passing this, and it is passing to the function. It is the save data. In this function, it will be the client side function name. In this function, this data will be passed. So what I'll do, I'll save it, and now first I'll reload it to see exactly if HTML is updated and I am getting the correct form or not. I'll open the sidebar again. Okay, I got the HTML data entry form. It is not so nice, but you can write your own HTML and CSS to make it more nice. So anyway, if I submit it, it will not work because I am not capturing the response. So what I'll do, this is the function name. I will copy it and I'll go to the, you can consider it is the client side. So here I will write this function. Okay, I'll write here function save data, and here I will capture the data. Basically it is passing this data, and here I will catch this data, and now here I will write try catch. Okay, error handling is done. Now I will I'll declare the variable ss equal to spreadsheet dot get tip got it. Okay, in spreadsheet I am getting the ss, basically ss in this variable I am getting the spreadsheet. Now I will get the sheet, sorry, sst for sheet. This is dot get sheet by name. So what is the sheet name I'll get? So the sheet name is day 7. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Now I will append a row. In the row, first one will be data, maybe. So the object is data, then name, data name, email, and the comment. So here data dot name, comma, data dot mail, comma, data dot comment, and next one is I will add current timestamp. Okay, I think all done. Now I'll save it, and now I'll open the sidebar again. Now I'll write here Debu, and okay, I will write Debu m, email example.gmail.com. Comment is this is testing comment. Now I'll submit it. Okay, now email is not captured well. What mistake I did? Sorry, here it is the mistake. I will write the email, and I will when it is done I will return a response. It is this one. I will add here return. So when in the sheet data is appended, or sorry, row is appended, and then this one will be returned to the HTML site. Okay, I'll save it, and I'll open one more time the sidebar. I'll write and email again. I'll select the first one, comment, this is second comment. Now I'll submit it. Now you can see this return appeared here. data saved successfully, and now I got the email. First time I wrote the wrong thing. Anyway, the sidebar is working. Now we will see the model dialog. So how to add the model dialog? Model dialog is not, it will be the very simple thing. So what I'll do, I'll make a copy of it and I'll paste here. Sidebar, I'll change the name, model dialog, and that time also the same HTML content I will use, and set title, and okay, here I'll do add one more thing, set width, I'll give it the value is 400, and set height, let's say 450, and this time I will change it. It will not be the show sidebar, it will be show model dialog, and I will save it again. And here I will create one more item, sorry, okay, open model dialog, and that time I will copy this function name, sorry, and I'll paste it here. I'll save it, and now I will reload it. Okay, now in the menu, okay, open model, sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Model dialog, I'll click on it. Okay, it's saying it is finished. What is the reason? Reason is HTML all good, model dialog, what is the error? I'll try one more time. Okay, let's close it. I'll reload it again. It is not working properly, I don't know what happened. I'll click on open model dialog, execution finished. Okay, let me see the execution, what happened here. HTML service output don't match with the meta signature model dialog. Okay, let me see here. Maybe the mistake is I will clear this one for now. Set width size, and now let me see dot show HTML, and now I have to give the title data entry form. Now I'll save it. I'll reload one more time, and I'll open this time. Okay, now it worked. Okay, so for now I will write appsscriptexpert, the name, email is appsscript@gmail.com, and the comment is this is comment for testing the model dialog. Let's submit it. What happened? Why it is not working? Okay, it worked. Basically I just clicked 2 times, and that's why the same result appeared again and again. Anyway, it is basically working, and that's how we can create I made a mistake here. I wrote the title here, but for model dialog, so title will be here. Anyway, that's all in this video. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something new in Google Apps Script, how to create sidebar and model dialog. We will learn in detail later, but for now just keep this concept in your mind, how a sidebar and model dialog box work. Later, when we will learn about Google Web App, that time we will learn in detail about this HTML and how this work basically. Google.script.run, this server side function, how to capture in the response in the client side, and how to return the response as like success handler, this message. So we will learn each and everything in detail later, but for now I think it's clear to you how a sidebar and model dialog work. Anyway, that's all in this video, and next day we are going to learn about some scripting function like next row, the last row and last column, maximum row, columns, and many other things we are going to learn in the next day. Anyway, thanks for watching this video till end. Meet you in the next day. See you again. Bye bye.